Are you searching for best portable fan? Today I am going to review top 5 best portable fan in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Starting number 1, HAOYUNMA Portable USB Rechargeable Fan. Orders reviews. Portable fan USB rechargeable 3 gears wireless electric fan hand fan clip circulator cooling fan for camping desktop office. It has 2 versions, no battery, and, with battery. Please confirm carefully before place order. No battery, needs to be connected to power to use. No battery, the fan doesn't have a battery, it can only be used when it's connected to power. 1 gear, with battery, 3 gear adjustable wind easy to carry. Starting number 2. JISULIFE Portable Small Desk Fan. Orders reviews. JISULIFE USB Desk Fan, small but powerful, portable quiet for speeds wind desktop personal fan, 180 degrees foldable ultra quiet portable fan for home office travel outdoor, foldable fan, small size and big wind power. Lightweight portable. FA26 small desk fan weighs only 216 g with cordless design, lighter, thinner, and more portable, whisper quiet operations. Brushless motor, which reduces noise in all directions, making the wind softer and quieter. Starting number 3. Himist USB Charging Fan. Orders reviews. This product includes 2 versions, 5000 mAh and 10,000 mAh. Except for the battery capacity, 5000 mAh battery version 3-speed wind, the 10,000 mAh battery version 4-speed wind, please see the color and classification when purchasing, can be used as desktop fan, stably standing on the table. With 7.6 cm big clip easily clipped in the table corner and bookshelf. Built-in 5000/10,000 mAh large capacity battery, longest wireless use for 24 hours, 4 gears wind adjustable, satisfy different needs in different environment. 360 degrees up and down, left to right manual rotation, wider range air supply. The wind blows silently, energy saving and not disturb sleep, study and work, lightweight and portable, suitable to home, office, outdoors, travel, dormitory and camping. Removable fan front grille, convenient to clean the fan mesh and fan blades. Number 4. Xiaomi Youpin Portable Desk Fan. Orders reviews. Product characteristics, simple design, no space. Small body and big energy, whether indoor or outdoor, enjoy the cool. Small volume and long battery life. From morning to night, comfortable and cool. With a weight of only 530 g, battery USB dual power supply. The continuous air supply time has also doubled. Brushless copper core motor, light tone operation, 65 degrees per detachable grill, wide angle air supply, for speeds available, high wind and ultra quiet, long battery life, durable. Number 5. Himist 90 degrees folding USB timing fan. Orders reviews. 90 degrees up and down folding design, easy storage. Magnet absorbed on wall, not take up space. 5000 mAh battery, longest work for 38 hours. 3 wind gears adjustable, meet different needs. 7 fan blades with large fan scale, strong wind. 1/2/4 hours timing, convenient and secure use. Detachable front cover, easy to clean the fan. Silent operation without disturbing the sleep.